Now in this question, it says the altitude of a triangular field is 1/3 of its base. And let's first make a triangle and then we will read it further. We have a triangle here. So this is any triangle. And I'll draw one of its altitude. Let's say I've drawn this altitude. So we have a relation here. Like I took the base as x. Then as for the question, if I took the base as x over here, I can see the altitude is 1/3. So h, this is h over here, as 1/3 of base. Now we have obtained the relation in terms of x over here. Let's see what we can do here. We can read it further to figure out what else is there. If the cost, it says, if the cost of showing the seed at rupees 58 per hectare is rupees 783, therefore what is the altitude? And I can see that our options are in meter. So first I'll do what? I'll first apply the formula of area for triangle, that is half multiplied by base into height. So area will come as half multiplied base is what? X as for the figure, and the altitude is x over 3. That results to give us x into x is x squared over 6. We got the area. Now there is another relation that we know, that area is what? No, not area, the total cost. If you have to get total cost, what we do? We multiply the area with that of the rate. And check here, the total cost is how much? 783 in rupees. Area is area only, let's say. And the rate is given how much? 58. So that means area in hectare, right? Because these units are in hectare. Should be what? 783 divided by 58. So you should know that 783, they are divisible by 29. So let's divide it by 29. This is 29 two times, and this is 29 27 times. Okay, we got this area, but this is in hectare, right? HA. But this, as I said, these are in meter. So I'm going to do this. This is meter square, and I'm going to convert this also in meter. So what is 1 hectare is equal to? It is equal to 1 followed by 4 zeros meter square. So this is what we are going to do, is to convert this hectare into meter square by multiplying with 10,000. So it can be divisible, and this will give you how much? 5,000. So we got this area. Okay, we got area uh, twice. One in terms of variables. So we can equate this. So I can write area from these two. That is x square over 6 can be equated with, this is how much? 27 into 5. Should give you how much? 27. Let's write down like this only. 27 into 5,000. That divided. Now to get x square, I'm going to transpose this number. But before that, let's multiply 27 into 5 is what? 135 followed by 1, 2, 3 zeros, right? Yeah, that's right. And then we'll be transposing 6 to the other side. So that means x square comes out to be, this is 35 into 135 into 6 is 810. 810, and then 3 more zeros followed. Now this is x square. So clearly x will be under root of this. 81 under root is how much? 9. And 4 zeros under root will give you 2 zeros. So this much meter is coming as the base, right? But then check what was the question here, is to get what? The altitude, right? So the altitude is what we have to get. And from here you can see this is the altitude over here. So the altitude is what? 9x over 3, that is 900 over 3. So that is 300 meter. So yes, we got this. This is 300 meter is the correct answer for this question.